Hello, my name's Travis. I'm the Northwest Shows trainer here at Vitamix. And today we're going to be making the Kale Apple Smoothie Bowl. Something a little different to get away from the smoothies. So, the machine that we're going to be using today is the A3500. That comes standard with a low profile 64-ounce container and tamper stick. We do have a little accessory here, the tamper stick holder. You can pick that up right on our website. The ingredients that we're going to be working with today is we've got half a cup of plain yogurt, orange, baby kale, green grapes, apple, frozen banana, and chia seeds. That's going to comprise our bowl. And then we're going to have some toppings of raspberry, shaved almonds, and some flake coconut. All right. Very simple. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start off with adding my yogurt. Scoop that right in. Perfect. And then we'll go orange, kale. We need to add all the ingredients at once. We're going to add our grapes, 2 tablespoons of chia seed, half apple, and our frozen banana. All right. The Vitamix A3500 has a very nifty feature. The recipe calls for a 60-second blend on high. So I'm going to take advantage of the timer built right into the Vitamix's display here. So I'm going to hit the up button here, right up to the point where it hits 60 seconds. And then I'll start slow, and then I'll ramp it up on high using the tamper stick the whole time. So stick with me, here we go. Perfect. When it's done, it shuts down. And just like every other Vitamix, you get that perfect blend quality every time. I'm going to pour this evenly right into these 2 different bowls. Make sure we have to share evenly, right? Now, one of my favorite parts of the Vitamix is how simple the cleanup is. I have set aside 2 cups of warm soapy water, which I'm going to use to go ahead and clean real quick. Put the lid on. I'm going to ramp that up on high. 3, 2, 1. And we're going to shut it down and it's clean. And I can rinse that out in my steam care in just a second. We'll go ahead and top these bowls. We're going to do a little bit of the shaved coconut. Perfect. And the almonds. And then we'll get some raspberries in here. Oh, that looks so good. My favorite part of this, and unfortunately you guys don't get to take an opportunity, is to try it. But I want you to make this at home. So we'll grab a little spoon here and give this a little shot. So good. Folks, that's the Kale Apple Smoothie Bowl made here in the Vitamix A3500. You can go right to our website, Vitamix.com, click on the recipe link and find that recipe. But I want you to get out there and keep blending.